If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Venmo, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your phone number. Ensure that the phone number linked to your Venmo account is correct. Go to your account settings and verify that your number is up to date. Step 2. Verify network connection. Make sure your phone has a stable network connection. If you're in an area with poor reception, try moving to a location with better signal or switching to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Turn off your phone and turn it back on to refresh your device's settings and connections. Step 4. Update the Venmo app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Venmo app. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If you still do not receive the login codes, reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue further and ensure your account is secure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and receive your login code successfully. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Venmo support.